So now I explain D-latch and how to make other flip-flop by D-latch. Okay. So what is D-latch? So this is D latch. Here is the input D and here is the output Q. So whatever the input we give, 1 or 0, that will directly appear here. When? When my clock is high because it's a positive level trigger delatch. So when this is 1, then my output goes to here, like whatever the input here, 1 or 0. So this is delatch. So if I uh, go to the table like D, uh, previous state Q and Q plus. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So irrespective of previous input, whatever the in irrespective of previous output, whatever the input is here, that will go to here. 0, same as 0, same as 1, same as 1. So this is the table of D flip flop, sorry, D latch. Now I we know that in JK the table like this Q plus. So 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1. Now it's 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. So if my input, if my JK is 0 0, so it's hold the value whatever the in previous output that holds, like 0 and 1, 0 and 1. Okay. And now if my JK are 0 and 1, 0 and 1, then it's reset. It don't see even see the previous output, don't care. So it reset. Here it is 0 and 0. If it is j is 1 and k is 0, j is 1, k is 0, so it don't see the previous output. It is 1 and 1. So it is reset and it is set. Now here 1, j and k both are 1. Then it comes under to toggle mode. So whatever the previous output 0, just opposite. Here 1, here 1, then 0. Okay. So now I make JK latch by D. So how to? So go through the excitation table. So here Q and Q plus. Q plus is the next state and Q is the previous state. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. I will check. If 0 to 0, then what the possibility? So J and K and here is D. So 0 to 0, what the possibility that fulfill, like it should be the input of JK. So if uh, 0 to 0, so now we check like where 0 to 0. Here we can see 1 0 to 0 and another is we can see here So at that time, what is the input of GK? Just see, this is 0 0 and this is 0 1. So J is 0 always, but K is changing. Like sometimes it's 0, like sometimes 0, sometimes 1. Now 0 to 1 and D will D will see later. Okay, so now it's 0 to 1. Then if it is 0 to 1, so just check where 0 to 1, 0 to 1. Here it is 0 to 1 and here it is 0 to 1. So these two conditions, so one is set and one is toggle. So here it is 1 0 and here it is 1 1. So 1 0 and 1 1, right? So 1 is my in J, 1 is there, but K is changing, so it crossed. Now it's 1 0, 1 to 0, 1 to 0 here, and 1 to 0, 1 to 0 here. In two conditions, so I will see JK. JK my is 1 1, but in this case, my JK is 0 1. So in input which bit is changing? So J is changing, but my K is constant. Like in both case 1 1. So that's why if changing then cross. If not changing in both case same then 1. Okay, now 1 1 like goes to 1 1, 1 to 1 Q like previous state to next state. So now 1 1, now I check 1 1 where. So here it is 1 1 and I think here it is 1 1. So one is set and one is holding. This is holding. So set and this is holding. So if it is set then 0 0 and if it is holding then 1 0. So each bit changes, J bit changes. So J is change and K is constant. And now I see D. So D, what happened in D? Okay. So whatever the here, like whatever the next state output, that is the input of D. D is here, D is here, D is here. Okay. Now, if I want to check that what is my input of D, then how I check? So, yeah. So now I check by K map. So what is the input should be D? That's I want to see. So here is my Q and here is my JK. Okay. So if my want to see that my D is one here and here. Okay. So D is here. So that time I take this like Q equal to 0. If Q equal to 0, so I'll choose this side, this one 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. And other bit J, J is 1 cross. So J must be 1. So J must be 1 like this and this. Like it's cross basically. Not cross, actually both are 1. I count. So 0. So here 0, 1, J1 and K cross. So K I'll take again. Here it is 1, D1. So Q is my 1. Q is my 1. That time it cross. So it can be 0 or 1 anything. But my K is 0. So I'll take here and here. Okay. Now go through this and this. I'll make so what is the so this is Q and this is K bar. K bar plus what is this? This is Q bar J Q bar. J and J is here. So J is not changing. J Q bar. So what is the now? If I want to make a JK flip flop by using D, then this is my Q and this is my Q bar Q and this is my D. So I need and get for what? That here is my K. K is the input, one input, and another is Q. Q is here and it's probably OR here. So I will take OR. This is the D and this is another AND gate. Another AND gate means J and Q. So here it is J and Q bar. Q bar will take from here and this output goes to here. So this is my JK flip flop by using D. I hope you will understood this concept. And now I want to make D flip flop by using JK. So D flip flop by using JK. So how to make? Let's see. So I will take J. Okay. Here I will take J. So as you can see, okay, now I erase the bottom part. Okay. So now I will make D by using JK latch. So JK latch. Okay. So here is my D. So here it is my J. So what would be the input? J is 1 and Q is 0. So here my Q and here is my D. 0 1 0 1. And where is the output? J is equal to 1 here. So my Q is 0. Q is 0 and my Q is 0 and my D is 1. So 0 1 0 and 1 here. And if I would take another this 1 and 0. So 1 and 0 this, sorry, this. And if I took this one, so this 1 and 1, here 1 and here 1. So it's cross actually in this cross. So now if I took this, then it's D. J is equal to D. And what is my K? So this is K and this is Q and this is my K and this is Q. 0 1 0 1. This is my D. If it is D, then I will check where is K my 1. So first 3 I will take. If first will take, then Q equal to 0, D equal to 0. So here the Q0 D0, here I cross it, here cross, so 0 1 0 and 1 cross, and at the end here it is I think 1, here 1, so 1 0, it is 1. So if I this, so K equal to my D bar. So if my JK flip flop, like this is my JK J and K. this is, then my D is directly connected here with JK, but here the D with not get connected with K. So this is my D flip flop. D latch by using JK. I hope you understood. So I this is my D flip flop. Sorry, D latch by JK. Because it's flip flop means the depend on the clock cycle. If the clock cycles is your edge triggering, then it's flip flop. If clock is your level triggering, then it's latch, nothing else. And J today, day today, J. These two are main important, and if we want to make T flip flop by using JK, then we already see that this is J and this is K. So just connect, and this is T, and this is Q, this is QR. So this is called T flip flop. And SR to JK I can make, but the problem is the same process. So I think it's not to be that much necessary. You can make if you understood previously, so you can by make yourself. Just go through the excitation table and truth table, and you can make it easily. So yeah, let me know in the comment sections that if I did any mistake, because I am also a student. So about me, my name is Pallab Pal. Currently, I am pursuing MTech from IIT BHU in Digital Technical and Instrumentation branch, like specialization. It's under electronics domain or branch, you can say. And yeah, I am interesting for VLSI domain. So bye, guys.